Hello. In today's video, we are going to do egg muffins. Do you know anything about egg muffins? Have you done before? If you have, you can show me how you made yours because this is how I do mine. I'm going to use some smoked bacon and sausages, diced sausage. I've cut them into pieces, a bit of spinach, cheese, grated cheese, and I've got bell peppers, the red one I've cut, and spring onions. Guys, in egg muffins, the main ingredient is egg. That's what you call egg muffin, of course. But you can throw in anything you want to put in, what your children like to eat and what you want. I'll be making it too because the boys don't like spinach in there. So I'll use mine. I want spinach. Theirs, they want the rest. So let's get started. Bacon butter to grease the pan. fun part. So, because I'm doing separate ones, what I'm doing is I'm going to fill the spinach in here in mine. Actually, I'm gonna do it with all of them because actually that's it. So without the eggs. So now I need to get something to scoop. If you need to give it a room because it's going to rise up. So I'm going to just fill it not too full up. So now we are going to put the main ingredients, which is cheese. Oven to 150. So I'm going to bring it down. It's going in the oven. And let's wait for 20 minutes. Now we make a cup of tea and wait for 20 minutes. And our minutes and time is done. So let's bring them out. Guys, it's hot, so careful. Ooh, So guys, this is the egg muffins. I've tried the one, I like the spinach one, but the boys like the other one. So try it at home, and I'll list all the ingredients down below. So put anything, any leftovers you have, just put them in, and your children can use them for school, because you just bring it, leave it in the fridge when it cool down, and that's it. Lunch is served, dinner is served, whatever you want to use it for. I am eating mine now with a cup of coffee, so you're all invited. Thank you, bye. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. You can hit the subscribe button, share and like with your friends, and if you're an old friend, thank you very much for staying. God bless you.